Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video we're going to go ahead and do a little bit more of patterns. These pattern videos are highly requested of patterns that I have bought over the years, and in this video I am doing new look patterns between the years of 2011 to 2013. Now, before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the new look patterns between the time frame of 2011 and 2013. Some of the patterns you can use during all the patterns you should be able to use during the SCOOP challenge that we have going on right now. And SCOOP stands for, if you have not been paying attention or have not seen any of my previous videos, it stands for Sew Classic Out of Print Patterns. So this is a collaboration with the lovely Martika from MartikaJMakes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into these new look patterns. So it is quite a bit. So I want to break this down for you. The box is pretty big. So I'm just going to take a few out to show you some of the ones that you can use between the time frame of 2011 and 2013. I do not want to make this video extremely long, so I'm going to show them to you quickly. I'm not going to tell you why I bought the pattern. Some of them I'll tell you why I bought the pattern, but not every single one of them. All right, so the first one is New Look 6067. Of course, I like view A, so when I get around to this pattern, this is one of the views that I will do. Next pattern is New Look 6263. So I did this dress a couple of years ago. I want to say back in 2014, I did this dress. I loved it, so I would use that dress again to make as a business dress and just do a subtle print or a solid color. But this is New Look 6263. Next one is New Look 6292. It is a tunic. You could do this as a two-piece set if that is something that you want to do. This is from spring. It says spring 2014. You can still use it as the SCOOP challenge as well, the tunic and the pants. And once again, it's New Look 6292. Another one that I like this one. It's New Look 6207. I seen Mimi G do this pattern back in like 2013, 2014. So that's why I grabbed the pattern. And it's for the long view right here, which is the scale drawing right here. And this is from spring 2013. And once again, that's New Look 6207. Next pattern is one that I plan on doing. I want to do this for the SCOOP challenge, but I don't know if I'll get around to it, but it is definitely on the top portion of my list. It's New Look 6208. And I like that bow in the back, and I have some Ankara print that I already have allocated to use for this pattern. So once again, it's New Look 6208. Next pattern is 6209. And all the patterns in this series will be new look, so I'm just going to tell you the number from this point forward. It's 6209. Come on, who doesn't want a color block dress? So this would be a good wardrobe builder and a staple that you can put in your wardrobe. Next pattern is 6210. This is I want to say this is more of a easy to sew pattern. It's easy for you to sew. I want to say you probably have a total of 8 pieces, but you will not use all 8 pieces to construct one dress. It's different neck variations in this pattern. So I want to say you probably have a total of maybe 3 pieces, maybe 4 for each view that you're doing, front, back, and maybe a neck band and a arm band as well. And you're good to go. So this would be a good summer dress as well as something that you could put part of your SCOOP challenge. The next pattern would be 6211. This is a good spring or summer dress, or you could use it as a prom for a teenager or whatnot. This is a suede says pattern. So yeah, this would be a good wardrobe builder. But I would not use this as the SCOOP challenge because the SCOOP challenge is more classic ones that you could wear over and over again, and this would not be one. Next one is New Look 6216. I know Erica Bunker made this pattern I want to say last year or in 2019. You could check out Erica Bunker's blog, and you can see this pattern that she have done up. Once again, that's 6216, and it will be good as a 2-piece separates. Next pattern, this has been on my list forever to make this bomber jacket. It's New Look 6226. It's been on my I want to say it's been on my list since I seen Mimi G make it back in, I want to say 2015. You can check out Mimi G's blog for how she made this one. That's why it's been on my to sew list. And once again, that's New Look 6226. Next pattern, another one that Mimi G has made. She made this in a workout outfit. Want to say probably 2015 time frame. So I picked it up, and it's New Look 6230. Next pattern, this is on my list for sure. As a wardrobe builder to sew every single view. This is New Look 6231, and I like every single view on this pattern. So this would be a good staple for spring or summer. And if you're interested in this pattern, you can always look on Etsy or eBay in order to get this pattern. Or Amazon sometimes as well will have this pattern, and that's New Look 6231. Next pattern, good staple pattern, good classic pattern. This is New Look 6232. It is a button-down shirt, and this would be something that you would want to put in your wardrobe to wear a classic button-down shirt if you don't have another button-down shirt that you could use. This would be a good staple where you could transition a button-down shirt between spring, summer, fall, or winter. So I would suggest using this pattern as part of the Scoop Challenge as well. Next pattern, 6249. Mimi G has made this pattern, I do believe. I don't remember what year she made this pattern, but this was something that she made, I want to say when she was working with Michael Levine as a Michael Levine collaboration, and this is 6249. Next pattern is 6261. I love this dress. It's a basic dress, and when I get around to this pattern, I would definitely do view B because it would be a good dress that I could wear to work. So I would probably do view B, but also add the sleeves of view A to make it long sleeve. I would not want to wear a sleeveless to work, so therefore I would probably do B with the sleeves from view A. Next one, this has been on my dress for so long because this is part of a FLOTUS dress that I seen when Michelle Obama was the First Lady of the United States, FLOTUS. And I believe Mimi G used this pattern or one that's similar when she did a floral FLOTUS dress. So this is New Look 6262 that you could make in so many different fabrics, and I think it would be gorgeous. So that's 6262. All right, so I'm gonna move those out the way and show you a few more. All right, so the next one is 6268. This one was gifted to me. I like it, but am I in love with it? Absolutely not. But if I make this pattern, I would definitely do it for view C on the pattern. But it was gifted to me, so I did not say no. Like, no, I may think of using this pattern sometime during the spring or the summer of next year. Next pattern is 6271. Now this pattern right here has been on my sewing list forever. I don't know why I have not made it yet. It is just some elastic pants. I mean, wide leg elastic pants. So I think I would do not every single view on this list, but a pair of shorts, a pair of shorts, skirt, and the pants on this pattern, and it will be good to go as a 3-piece set. Next pattern, good for summer, 6280. I have seen this make its way, 2014, 2015. I have seen this around Facebook, Instagram, and on blogs during that time. So this would be great for a summer dress. Next one is 6281. Also, same thing. I have seen this made so many times. So this would be something that you may want to think about putting in your wardrobe. Now, for me, I think view C, what the model is wearing, is great. But if you want something that you can wear constantly, I would go with view D and have it as I would make it long as a maxi, and you could wear it like on a vacation, like a vacay stay, you know? So basically, I would do that for this pattern. Next pattern is 6282. Once again, this is a nice spring or summer dress. I love the splits on this. It's actually 3 splits, both on the side and then one in the middle. So this would be a great, you know, summer vacation, or if you going somewhere or a family reunion or something like that, this would be great for that, and also great for the scoop challenge. Next one is a tunic at 6283. I love this pattern. It has been on the list since I purchased the pattern. Don't know why I haven't sewn it yet, but this may be something that I may sew for the scoop challenge. Next one is a tunic at 6284. I like it. I'm not in love with the pattern. When I picked it up, I love the pattern, but you know, it's been 7 years since I picked up this pattern. So when I get around to it, I may get around to it, I will do what the model is wearing. And I can wear it to work as well. The next pattern is 6285. This is just a basic, you know, tank. Something that you may want to think about for the scoop challenge, because it is, you know, a couple of easy pieces. Probably, I want to say probably 5 pieces and you're good to go. Next pattern is 6286. I love this pattern, honestly. I like what the model is wearing here in view B. So if I decide to sew it, that's the view that I would do. Next pattern, you guys know I do not need any more skirts, but I do love skirts. And this is 6287. And I like that it has 3 rows of elastic for this skirt. So if I do this skirt for the scoop challenge, which I may think about doing, it would be view D. This is a tiered skirt with 3 rows of elastic casing. Next one, another skirt. What can I say? It's 6288. This is knit. So this is a easy to sew knit pattern. So if you are interested in getting this pattern, I know it's out of print, but you may want to check Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. Next one, I have done this pattern. I did this part of my summer skirt series. This was the mini skirt, I do believe, and this is 6290. So if you're interested in this pattern, you can get it from the 3 that I just named: eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Also, there is a tutorial for this that I did for the mini skirt. You can look up and check out that video as well. All right, so the next one is 6181. Mimi G did this button-down dress. I love the pattern, I do. It's been on my list forever. I have done so many button-ups dresses. I don't think I want another one just right now, but who doesn't want a shirt dress? But I do have plans on doing a, you know, versus battle between shirt dresses with all different pattern brands: New Look, Simplicity, Vogue, Butterick, and McCall, and see which one I like best. So I think that would be great to do something like that. But this is the shirt dress, and it's 6180. Next one is 6184. I love this basic dress. I really do. So this could be something that I may think about using for the scoop challenge. Next one is 6193. I have done this already. I don't even know who I gave this skirt and top to, the Peter Pan top, Peter Pan collar and the skirt, but I loved it. Would I make it again? Maybe. I'm not sure, but I would not make this for the scoop challenge because I already did it already. All right, so I have a few more, and then I'll make a part 2 of this same box because it is a lot of patterns in this box. All right, so the next one is 6291. This is a jumper. I would literally do it for view B. I like the little ties at the shoulder. So yeah, I would do it for view B on this pattern. And the last one that I'm going to show is New Look 6197. Now I do have 2 patterns. I have cut one of the patterns out, but I have not sewn the pattern, okay? So the thing with this one is I would use this as a basic short sleeve button down shirt. Now there is another pattern similar to this one, which is McCall 6044, which is a man's pattern. Of course, a man is on here. Now, I do want to do a versus battle between that pattern, McCall 6044, as well as New Look 6197, and see which one is better. So if you think I should do that, go ahead and comment below and let me know, and I will make that happen. All right, so that's all the patterns that I'm going to show in this video of the New Look patterns between 2012 and 2013. There will be a part 2 to this one to finish up the box, to give you ideas of some patterns that you may have seen but never thought about it. And then some of these patterns you have not seen, but now you want them. So that is the reason why I'm showing patterns in between videos and in between different things that I have going on. It's simply because part of the Scoop Challenge, I want to give you ideas of exactly what you can sew during the Scoop Challenge. The Scoop Challenge is easy. There is pretty much no rules outside of all the patterns that you sew must be prior to 2020. So you can sew any pattern between when you started sewing, 2010, 2011, all the way up to the end of 2019, before 2020. Just make sure you use the hashtag, which I will put the hashtag in the link in the description box below. But that's all that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching another video. And also, like, comment, and subscribe, and always keep going. Bye.